Hello, welcome again. We are solving general ability test of year 2024 of NDA NA1 exam. In this paper, part A is of English paper, and in this in this part A, there is one section passage for which directions are: read the following passage carefully and answer the item based on it. You are required to select your answer based solely on the content of the passage and the opinion of the other. So the passage is: the grouping or assemblage of plants, animals, and microbes we observe when we study a natural forest, a grassland, a pond, a coral reef, or some other undisturbed area is referred to as area's biotic or biotic community. The plant portion of biotic community includes all vegetation from large trees down through a, down to microscopic algae. Likewise, the animal portion includes everything from large mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians through to earthworms, tiny insects, and mites. Microbes encompass a large array of microscopic bacteria, fungi, protozoans. Thus, the biotic community comprises a plant community, an animal community, and a microbial community. The particular kind of biotic community found in a given area is in large part determined by abiotic factors such as the amount of water or moisture present, the temperature and the salinity, or the type of soil in the area. These abiotic factors both support and limit the particular community. For example, a relative lack of available moisture prevents the growth of most species of plants but supports certain species such as cacti. These kind of areas are desert land with plenty of available moisture and a suitable temperature supports forest. The presence of water is the major factor that sustains aquatic communities. The first step in investigating a biotic community may be simply to catalog all the species present. Species are the different kinds of plants, animals, and microbes in the community. A given species includes all those individuals which have a strong similarity in appearance to one another and which are distinct in appearance from other such groups. Each species in a biotic community is represented by a certain population, that is, by a certain number of individuals that make up the interbreeding reproducing group. So here question number 41, based on this passage, which one of the following does not belong to the biotic community? Option A water, option B human, option C protozoa, and option D bush. So here in this line it is given that the particular kind of biotic community found in given area is in large part determined by abiotic factors such as amount of water. So water or moisture. So water is a, an abiotic, not the biotic community. So answer is option A. Water is abiotic. Answer is option A. Next is the nature of biotic community largely depends on 1 biotic component, 2 abiotic component. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Here again from the same line, the particular kind of biotic community found in given area is in large part determined by abiotic factors such as amount of water or moisture present, temperature of salinity or type of soil in this area. So these abiotic factors both support and limit the particular community. So it means the nature of biotic community largely depends on abiotic component. Answer is B. Answer is B. The biotic component largely depends on or nature of biotic component. Biotic community largely depends on abiotic component such as water. Okay. So answer is C. Next is, which of the following is not an abiotic factor? Option A temperature, option B humidity, option B, option C algae, and option D moisture. So here it is given that moisture, water and temperature are abiotic component. So algae is not the abiotic factor. So this is given in biotic factor. So answer is C. Algae is biotic. Next is, in the passage word aquatic community refers to. Option A biotic community inhabiting the land. Option B biotic community found in water. Option C biotic community found in the air. Option D assemblage of rain and moisture. So it is aqua means water, so biotic community found in water is the answer. Aquatic community refers to biotic community found in water, so answer is B. Next, species are defined on the basis of. Option A similarity only, option B differences only, option C both similarities and differences, option D none of both. So here in the last paragraph it is given, the first step in investigating in biotic community may be simply to catalog all the species present. Species are the different kinds of plants, animals and microbes in the community. A given species include all those individuals which have strong similarity in appearance to one another and which are distinct in appearance from other such groups. Okay. So distinct and similarity both. So answer is option C, both similarity and differences. So species are defined on the basis of both similarity and differences. So answer is C.